Hello friends and welcome back to another amazing video. So friends, in this video I am going to tell you about a trading platform which is 101% trustworthy platform, and along with this, if you join here, you can have a lavish lifestyle for yourself and also you can have a very good earning from here. So if we talk about this company, so the name of this company is 10,000 BTT and its official website is www.10000btt.com. So friends, when we talk about the profile of this company, so they started their journey back in the year 2020 when we all were fighting with the financial crisis. At that time they consulted the best financial expert to figure out the best possible solution for this one. Through their consistent efforts and discussion, they came to a conclusion of designing this platform. So friends, along with their efforts, they designed a trustworthy platform for you, and this is supported by highly skilled and dedicated professionals from all across the globe. Friends, if we talk about the benefits of this company, so 10,000btt.com is globally accepted and highly promising cryptocurrency. You can be a part of a broad family by joining here. You can maintain or even achieve lavish lifestyle with 10,000btt.com. Also, blockchain technology ensures you seamless transaction without any hiccups. So friends, now when we talk about the mission and vision of this company, so their mission and vision is to achieve future security with lavish lifestyle, financial freedom, reputation and satisfaction. In the starting it may seem to be a bit difficult, but you will be glad to know that this is practically possible. Friends, you can earn a very good profit from here along with a very minimum investment, times and efforts, and also every single individual can participate in 10,000btt.com future security program. So without wasting any more time, let us directly talk about the business plan of the company. So friends, first of all I'll be telling you about the joining package. So here the company is providing you a joining package whose value is 10,000 BTT. So once you successfully join yourself with 10,000 BTT amount, after that you can earn around 6 types of income from here, which are direct income, level income, 100% daily non-working pool income, WPC Life Club income, Global Smart Matrix income, and the last but not the least, reward and recognition. So friends, first of all when we talk about the first type of income, that is the direct income. So here on the every direct sponsor done by you or whenever a person joined by the refer done by you, so you will get 25% or 2,500 BTT from per person as your direct income. After that, the second type of income which appear in the line is the level income or the level income 1,000 BTT. So friends, through this concept you can earn an amazing and unexpected income from about 20 complete levels. So here when we talk about level 1, so on having a team of 10 members, you will get 50 BTT from them each, so that your total income in the very first level will be 500 BTT. Similarly in level 2, on having a team of 100 members, you will get 50 BTT from them each, so that your total income will become 5,000 BTT. On reaching level 3, on having a team of 1,000 members, you will again get 50 BTT from them each, so that your total income in level 3 will be 50,000 BTT. After that, when you reach to level 4, then having of 10,000 members in your team, you will get 50 BTT from them each, so that your total income from here will become 5 lakh BTT. And similarly, when you reach level 5, so here on having 1 lakh members in your team, you will again get 50 BTT from them each, so that your total income will be around 50 lakhs BTT. So friends, similarly, you will get your amazing income from all 20 levels. The calculation income of all 10 levels can be seen in the chart. From 11 to 20 level, continued level income will be 50 BTT from each member. So after this, let us talk about the next type of income, that is the 100% daily non-working pool income. So friends, in this income, 1,000 BTT from each ID will be clubbed in this pool every day. And of this non-working pool, it will be divided in all members on daily basis. Also, 10% of pool income will be distributed on daily basis. And here, the maximum capping is 10,000 BTT. So now let us talk about the next type of income, that is the WPC Life Club income. So friends, in this club, every time you have to do 10 directs which are compulsory. So friends, under this income, 3,000 BTT from each ID will be clubbed or gathered in this Life Club every day. And here the club income will be distributed in all the achievers or members of this club on weekly basis. So friends, to achieve this income, you have to be eligible for this one. And for the eligibility, you must do 10 direct sponsors, which is compulsory to receive the benefit of this income. Also, when we talk about the maximum capping here, so here the weekly maximum capping is 20,000 BTT. So after this, next we are going to talk about the Smart Global Matrix pool, in which you will earn your income in the form of BTT, and here you can earn a very amazing income from 6 Smart Matrix. So here first of all we will talk about the Smart Matrix 1. So here when you have 3 members team in your level 1 or series 1, you will get an entry of 2000 BTT from them each, so that your total turnover will be 6000 BTT, and for next level upgradation 4000 BTT will be auto deducted, so that your net income will be 2000 BTT from this level. On reaching level 2, you will have 9 members in your team and you will get 4000 BTT from them each as your entry, and then your total turnover will be 36,000 BTT, and so that your upgradation amount for the next matrix will be deducted, which is 10,000 BTT, and your net income from this one will be 26,000 BTT. So friends, now when we talk about the net total income which you can achieve from Smart Matrix 1, so here on having total 12 members in your team from all 2 levels, you can have a net total income of 28,000 BTT. After that, when the amount is deducted for your upgradation to the Smart Matrix 2, you will get entry in the Smart Matrix 2, and here in level 1, on having a 3 members team, you will get 10,000 BTT as entry, and your total turnover will be 30,000 BTT. For the next level upgrade, 20,000 BTT will be auto deducted, and your net income from here will be 10,000 BTT. Once you upgrade to level 2, then on having 9 members in your team, you will get 20,000 BTT as entry, and your total turnover will be 1,80,000 BTT. Likewise, 50,000 BTT will be auto deducted for the entry in Smart Matrix 3, and your net income from this will be 1,30,000 BTT. So like this, when we talk about the total net income which you can earn from Smart Matrix 2, so here on having total 12 members from all 2 levels, you can have a net total income of 1,40,000 BTT. So friends, once you upgrade to Smart Matrix 3, then in level 1 on having 3 members team, you will get an entry of 50,000 BTT from them each, so that your total turnover will be 1,50,000 BTT. Likewise, for the level 2nd upgradation, 1 lakh BTT will be deducted, and your net income from here will be 50,000 BTT. Once you upgrade for level 2, then on having a 9 members team, you will get an entry of 1 lakh BTT from them each, so that your total turnover will be 9 lakh BTT. After this, 4 lakh BTT will be deducted for your upgradation to Smart Matrix 4, and your net income from here will be 5 lakh BTT. So friends, like this, when we see the total number of members 12, so you will get net total income of 5,50,000 BTT from Smart Matrix 3. So this similar process will continue from Smart Matrix 4 till Smart Matrix 6. So here when we see the total income which you get from Smart Matrix 4, so here on having total 12 members, you will get a net total income of 62 lakhs. From Smart Matrix 5, on having total 12 members, you will get a net total income of 3.70 crore BTT. And in last Smart Matrix 6, on having 12 members as your total, you will get a net total income of 38 crores BTT. So friends, likewise when we talk about the total income which you can earn from all the Smart Matrix, likewise when we talk about the total Smart Global Matrix income, so you will get around 42.3918 crore BTTs of income from all these 6 Smart Matrix. So after this, we are going to talk about the center of attraction and the last type of income of this plan, which is the reward and recognition. Friends, here the October Navratri Dhamaka is going to start, which will continue from 12th October to 31st October. So you can also take the benefit of this amazing offer. So here when we talk about the rewards and recognition, so here on having a power lag total team of 25 and other lag total team of 25, you will get a reward of 25,000 BTT. After that, if you gather a total team of 50 in the power lag and total team of 50 in the other lag, then you will get 50,000 BTT as your reward. After that, if you can have a total team of 100 in the power lag and total team of 100 in the other lag, then you get 1 lakh BTT as your reward. After that, on having a total team of 250 in your power lag and total team of 250 in the other lag, you will get 2,50,000 BTT as your total reward. And at last, on having a total team of 500 on the power lag and having a total team of 500 in the other lag, you will get a huge amount of 5 lakh BTT as your reward. Friends, power leg is the best working leg here and the others will be counted as the other legs. Also, here for this offer, achievers will be announced on 2nd November and rewards will be distributed. Now after discussing all types of income, when we talk about the terms and conditions, so here all withdrawals are only on daily basis which can be withdrawn on 24/7. Friends, withdrawal will be credited within next 12 hours. Here on all your outflows and withdrawal, 10% admin charges will be deducted and also 100% daily non-working pool income will be distributed and transferred on all members' wallet at 12 p.m. Daily, it will be done and maximum capping of this pool is 10,000 BTT. Which is the 100% of the investment. WPC Life Club income will be distributed in all achievers' wallet at every Sunday night 12 am. Also, the WPC Club is a live club and its income will be running live on dashboard every time. Here, the maximum capping from this club earning is 200% of investment, that is 20,000 BTT. And after achieving 200% capping of this income, everyone has to complete the achieving criteria again for next time club income. Friends, here 10 direct required for achieving the club membership of WPC Club. Also, investment and withdrawals both are in BTT only. Here, 10% of all Smart Global Metrics net income will be transferred automatically in 100% daily non-working pool. And at last, 100% daily non-working pool and Smart Global Metrics are both non-working income. After that, direct, level and WPC Club are the working incomes here. So these were the complete details about the amazing business plan, all the income types and the terms and conditions of this unique plan. So friends, if you also want to live a lavish life only with 10,000 BTT, then you can also join here as soon as possible. For joining, you can contact on the details given in the description or else you can visit their website which is www.10000btt.com. Thank you.